Shiva. Shiva is the Lord of Lords, and it is really not easy to write or explain everything about Shiva. However, many have tried to explain him and praise him as per their knowledge, but the explanation is endless. It is unimaginable from a human being. Even Devas, Asuras, or other Rishi Munis have very little words to explain about Lord Almighty. Lord Shiva represents the aspect of Supreme Being, that is, Brahman of the Upanishads, that continuously dissolves to create the cyclic process of creation, preservation, dissolution, and recreation of the universe. As stated earlier, Lord Shiva is the third member of Hindu Trinity, the other two being Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu. Owing to his cosmic activity of dissolution and recreation, the words of destroyer and destruction have been erroneously associated with Lord Shiva. This difficulty arises when people fail to grasp the true significance of his cosmic role. The creation sustains itself by delicate balance between opposing forces of good and evil. When this balance is distributed and sustenance of life becomes impossible, Lord Shiva dissolves the universe for creation of the next cycle so that the unliberated souls will have opportunity to liberate themselves from the bondage with the physical world. Thus, Lord Shiva protects the soul from pain and suffering that would have been caused by this functional universe. In analogous cycle processes, winter is essential for spring to appear and the night is necessary for the morning to follow. To further illustrate, a goldsmith does not destroy gold when he melts old irreparable golden jewelry to create beautiful new ornaments. Lord Shiva is the Lord of mercy and compassion. He protects devotees from evil forces such as lust, greed, and anger. He grants boons, bestows grace, and awakens wisdom in his devotees. The symbolism discussed below includes major symbols and are common to all the pictures and images of Lord Shiva as per Hindu mythology. Since the tasks of Lord Shiva are numerous, he cannot be symbolized in one form. For this reason, the images of Shiva may significantly vary in their symbolism. Let's discuss the attributes of Lord Shiva. Shiva's main attributes are the trident that represents three gunas, the snakes that show he is beyond the power of death and poison and also stand for Kundalini energy. The sound of Shiva's two-sided drum maintains the rhythm of heartbeat and creates the sound of Om in the overtones. The vehicle of Shiva is the white bull called Nandi, which means joyful. Shiva is seated on a tiger skin or wears a tiger skin. The tiger represents the mind and Shiva lives on Mount Kailasha in Himalayas. His third eye symbolizes the all-knowing awareness of the very Brahman. Relationship between Shiva and Parvati. The power or energy of Shiva is Parvati. Shiva's first wife was Sati and his second wife was Parvati. Both are the forms of Adi Shakti. They are also known as by many other names such as Uma, Gauri, Durga, Kali, Annapurna or Shakti. Shiva is also known by many names and titles. As a god of anger, he is Rudra, the red one, feared by one and all. As Kailashpati, he is the lord of Kailash. He is adored in the Himalayas. As Purusha, he is Ishvara himself. As the lord of beings, he is the Pashupatinath. His sons are Ganesha and Kartikeya. Shiva taught Parvati Vedantas while Parvati taught him Sankhya. Both are perfected yogis. The Shivalingam. Lord Shiva is conceived in his unborn, invisible form as Shivalingam. The lingam represents male creative energy of Shiva. This main symbol of Shiva is worshipped in virtually every Hindu temple and home. Through profound understanding of this symbol, the mystery of creation can be understood as an act of love. When Ganga incarnated the earth, Lord Shiva captured her in his hair to stop her from flooding the earth. As the bearer of the sacred river Gangas, he is known as Gangadhar. Because of his matted hair, he is dearly called as Jatadhari by his followers. As a perfect being, he is Siddheshwar. With his trident in his hands, he became popular as heroic and fearless Trishuldhari. He is also called Dakshinasur. Shiva worshippers are among India's most sadhus and yogis. Both bodies smeared with ashes, dressed in saffron colors and wearing a Rudraksh mala. The path of Shiva can thus be seen as an inward going path. the great journey to find inner self and self-realization. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.